Hello. Today I wanted to show you this, the VEN-DENS power bank, 10,000 milliamps, model VD-PB039, if you're interested in that. First thing that I want to mention is the packaging. It feels so good. It's such nice quality. The writing and the image on it, it's all embossed and you can feel it. It has a very nice tactile feel. I think that's important. They obviously show pride in what they do, and even the packaging. They could have done it in a cheap, generic-looking package, but this one feels premium and looks premium. It's very nice. When you open it, you've got the power bank inside. Let's put it to the side a bit. It comes with a little cable to charge it, and whatever sticker. This is quality certificate passed. This is the power bank. I love the way it looks. I just do. It looks so stylish. It looks so elegant, so smart. You have one USB-C input here. You can charge the power bank with. You have one USB input here. You can charge the power bank, and also you can charge your devices using that. And the best part, because I've got it for traveling, and you have four kind of cables already incorporated into the power bank, so you don't have to carry a separate cable, worried that you lose it. You have USB-A. I think, I don't know what you even use this for, but hey, it's there. You have a lightning for your iOS devices. There. You have a micro USB. There. And a USB-C. There. That's as far as they go. They don't go any further, but that's plenty too. That's all you need. It's traveling, it's in a pinch. You stick your device in there and you charge it. If you need a longer stretch of cable, you can also plug a cable USB-C into here and charge your device through there. USB, charge your device through here. So if you're thinking about, let's just say you have 3 USB-C devices with a USB cable from here, one from here, and this from here, you can charge 3 devices at once. If you have a micro SD one, there's a 4th one you can charge. It's so convenient. Got a little button on the side, you click it, and it shows you the percentage of the battery. As you can see, I've got 75% left. That's about it. It works great. I've been using it for a bit. It's quite big. I mean, it's kind of the size of a smartphone, to be honest. Relatively light for a power bank, and I think again it feels good in the hand. It looks good. It's so versatile and so functional. As I said, you can charge 1, 2, 3, let's say USB-C devices at once just with this. I think it's a great product. I like it a lot. The VEN-DENS power bank.